Hello everyone, it's John with John's Trucks. Today I got a real special 2018 Peterbilt 389 day cab, factory day cab. It's got the X15 450 horse Cummins engine, 10-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, 342 rear end gear ratio. This truck's got 293,000 miles on it. It's got full locking rear ends. It's got a Hydra flow wet kit. That's the air-cooled 2-line wet kit. 216-inch wheelbase. It's got the low leaf air ride suspension. Very clean Southern truck. Tall 24.5s. Virgin rubber Bridgestones. All aluminum wheels. Side saddle box. Really well taken care of. It has the high seat, good clearance. We've been fully through the truck, serviced, DOT'd. We've gone through it all. It's a good, clean Southern truck, well taken care of. It's got a new seat, driver's side. Really nice unit, hard to find. Give me a call, it won't last long.